How to fix the buzzing sound in any laptop, Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the buzzing sound on any laptop on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your search, and under search you need to search for control panel. After searching for your control panel, now you need to go with hardware and sound option, or you can also just simply go with sound. If you have all large icons, you will have sound, and under sound you will get this kind of interface. Now you need to go with the recording section, go with microphone, go with properties, which is on the bottom, and here you need to go with listen, and then click on listen to this device. And after clicking on that, you need to go with apply and OK, and after that your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then again go with the sound section, and here you need to go with playback, and under that you need to go with your speakers. Do the same thing with your speakers. So go with your properties, and under properties you need to go with advanced, or you may also have enhancement section. So you just need to simply go with enhancement. Under enhancement you will have disable all enhancements, and after clicking on disable all enhancements you need to go with apply and OK, and it might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back, right click on your Windows, and here you will have device manager. Go with device manager. Under your device manager you need to go with sound, video and game controllers, and then go with the sound driver. And under the sound driver you need to go with right click and then go with properties. Under properties you need to go with driver, and here you need to update your driver. After updating your driver, your problem might be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.